here we go again. We've got the S10 and we've got the S10 Plus. Now, some of you may remember this little guy unboxed. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was the S8 a while back. So we're going to get him to do the S10 and the S10 Plus. So we're in the UK. I don't know why this one's got cellophane packaging, because these are straight out the box, but the seal is still there. And this one doesn't have cellophane packaging, but the seal is still intact. A bit weird, but hey. Okay, little man, so swivel this around. We'll begin with the S10 first. So we'll leave that to one side and we'll get you to open this first. So do you want to take the plastic off? So if we just rip all that off. Yeah, just make a mess. So get that out of the way. There you go. So there you go. S10. Beautiful. Nothing on the inside? What have you got? Wait, that got stuck. So leave that to one side. What do you get in that little box?
We get some instructions.
Some instructions.
And then here is just the same.
So look, so you got some boring, ready, quick start guide stuff here.
And then we got some of this thing at the back.
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay, let's have a look. So we've got the SIM card tray eject tool here. And yeah, same as the others versions that we've had over the years. So just lift it out via the tab. You got a little plastic tab there, haven't you? Just there you go.
You should take off the seal.
Now put it down for 1 sec and we'll have a look what else we've got. So what else do you have in the box?
We got this plug.
You got a plug
That does this.
So yeah, a 3-pin wall plug and a USB type A connector. As you can see, they're 9 volts at 1.67 amps or 5 volts at 2 amps. So we'll leave that to one side. What's that? What is it?
It's a smaller plug.
It's a smaller plug. So this is used USB type A across the one side with USB type C across the other. So this is used for data transfer of migrating from your old device to your new device, being the Galaxy S10. So what else do we have in there? Ooh, that's going to be the, what is that?
And we got this, the mini plug.
A mini plug. So we've got a USB type C connector there, and we've got a micro USB connector here. Again, you can use that for data transfer from your old device to the other one. And here we've got USB type A to USB type C, data transfer and charging cable. White Prism. This is the Galaxy S8, so we've got a white cable. I wonder if you get a black one, if you got a black Galaxy S10. And what do you have there? What are those? Earbuds.
Earbuds.
So yeah, these look really nice, don't they? AKG branded. Kind of silicone-y feel to them. And they look like they're braided. Yes, they look like they're braided there. Pretty cool indeed, because this device still has a 3.5mm audio jack. So that's everything out the box here. Let's have a look at the phone. How does the phone feel?
Plasticky.
Plasticky. I don't think it feels plasticky. Let's have a quick look.
Can I peel off this?
Not just yet. We'll have a look and just you're eager to take away the essence. So the front part doesn't have no plastic covering whatsoever, but does feel really good in the hand. So white prism this is, and it's kind of like a greenish yellow tint to it, I think. So do you want to do the honors? Do you want to take away the plastic? Ah, that felt good, didn't it? That felt good. So we'll put that down there.
It went like
How does that feel? It feels like glass to me. How does it feel to you? You're more interested in the plastic cover than the phone. Okay, I understand. So how does it feel? Feel good? No?
feels like a bottle.
Feels like a bottle. So glass device here. So interestingly, the power button is all the way at the top. Surely that should be a little bit further down. But hey, let's turn this thing on. And as kids are always interested in the packaging rather than the actual thing itself. So yeah, Prism White. This is Galaxy S10. See how this feels. we have another Galaxy S10 Plus here. Now, how does this feel? Does it still feel like a bottle?
Plastic.
The plastic, okay, cool. So an 8-year-old kid says this feels like a plastic phone. So we'll have a look at that again. You get the same sort of stuff inside, don't you? You get the...
You got a plug, you got a mini plug.
Yep.
And then you got the mini plug in here and the...
So you get a wall adapter, you get the same data transfer migration tool. You got the same earbuds in there. Everything's the same essentially. So you want to peel it off again. Okay, so you ready for this one?
Yes.
Go on then. Do a 3, 2, 1. Pull it, pull it, pull it. There you go. Did that feel good? Yeah.
It's like...
Yeah. And how does this feel? Still feels plasticky? Bottle. So glass. So again, Prism White they call this, and it's got again like a greenish yellowish tint to it. But my god, that's a big device, isn't it? And you prefer to play with the plastic. Okay, hey ho. Again, power button is quite high up even for my spider-like fingers, which is a bit strange. So we're just gonna press the power button to turn this thing on. What do you notice between both of them?
This is the 10 Plus, which is taller.
Yeah.
And then this is the S10, which is smaller.
Okay, what else do you notice straight off taking them out of the box? What's the difference?
They have, this has one here and then there's 2 here.
So this one's got 1 camera there. And do you think that one's got 2 cameras? Okay, that's a depth sensor. It's not really a camera, but we'll let you off because you're not 8 years old. So just to give you an indication of size, this is a Google Pixel 3 here, not the XL, just a regular Pixel 3. So you've got the S10 and the S10 Plus. The S10 Plus has a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display, whereas the S10 in the middle here has a 6-inch display. Both devices got 128 gigabytes of RAM, of memory with 8 gigabytes of RAM, that is. So absolutely gorgeous. Obviously the bigger display here has more battery to power this humongous display. As both these devices are exactly the same, so you can see we've got a USB Type-C connector across the bottom, a 3.5mm audio jack, secondary noise cancelling microphone here, and the speaker towards the right hand side. Look at this banding that goes right the way around the edge. Kind of iPhone-esque, iPhone X-esque, I'm gonna say. I think the power button is way too high in my liking though. Already a fingerprint magnet in the few minutes that we've had it out the box here. Along the left hand side you've got the Bixby button. Hopefully you can remap that. Volume up and down rockers towards the top there. SIM card tray towards the top. Primary microphone, I'd say secondary microphone there. The primary one is down here. And again, you've got the power button across the other side. And it's the same story with this little fella here as well. Buttons in exactly the same locations. I still think the power button is way too high even on this smaller Galaxy S10. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus unboxing from a 8-year-old kid. Have a wicked day. I'll see you next time.